Welcome back, dear listeners. You are tuning into the School of Buddha, and this is episode 2 of our series, The Path of Meditation, Lessons from the Buddha. In our previous episode, we explored the foundations of meditation, learning about the 2 primary Buddhist meditation techniques, Samatha, or calm abiding meditation, and Vipassana, or insight meditation. We also reflected on why meditation is essential, not just for relaxation, but for deep self-awareness and ultimate liberation. Now, it's time to practice. Today, we will begin our first guided meditation session, a 10-minute awareness meditation to help you build mindfulness and presence. This session is designed for both beginners and experienced practitioners, allowing you to cultivate inner stillness and awareness of the present moment. Before we begin, let's take a moment to prepare. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed for the next 10 minutes. Sit comfortably with a straight but relaxed posture, either on a cushion, a chair, or the floor. Rest your hands gently on your lap or knees. If it feels comfortable, close your eyes, or you may soften your gaze by looking slightly downward. As we begin, remind yourself that this is a time for self-exploration, free from expectations. Your only task is to observe and be present. If your mind wanders, simply acknowledge it and bring your focus back. Now, let's begin. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply and exhale gently. Now, allow your breath to settle into its natural rhythm. No need to force it, just observe it as it flows in and out. We are starting 10 minutes timer now. Bring your awareness to your body. Notice the points of contact. Your feet touching the ground. Your hands resting on your lap. The sensation of air against your skin. Shift your focus to the breath. Feel the air entering through your nostrils, filling your lungs, and leaving effortlessly. Observe how each inhale and exhale happens naturally, without effort. If thoughts arise, don't push them away. Instead, acknowledge them, like passing clouds in the sky. Simply return to your breath, using it as your anchor to the present moment. Now, expand your awareness. Become mindful of sounds around you, distant noises, the rustling of air, or even the subtle sound of your breath. Instead of labeling them, just notice them as they are. Let go of any tension in your body. With every exhale, feel yourself relaxing deeper. Imagine each breath dissolving stress, leaving you in a state of calm and clarity. Bring awareness back to your breath. Inhale and exhale. Focus on the natural rhythm. The gentle rise and fall of your chest. If your mind drifts, gently bring it back to the rhythm of your breath. There is no need to control your experience. Just observe and allow each moment to unfold. Deepen your breath slightly. Feel the inhale energizing you, and the exhale relaxing you further. Stay with your breath. Feel the stillness within. The calm presence expanding with each inhale and exhale. gently start bringing your attention back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take one final deep breath in and exhale. When you're ready, rub your hands, put them in front of your eyes, and gently open your eyes. Well done. You've just completed your first 10-minute awareness meditation. Take a moment to observe how you feel. Are you more present? More at ease? Meditation is a journey. Some days your mind may feel calm, while other days it may be restless. That's okay. The key is to keep practicing with patience and kindness toward yourself. In our next episode, we will explore Anapanasati, that is mindfulness of breathing, a foundational Buddhist practice that deepens focus and inner peace. If you found this session valuable, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the School of Buddha. Let us know in the comments, how did this meditation feel for you? What insights did you gain from simply observing your breath? I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, stay mindful, stay present, and keep meditating.